What's the meaning of ambrosia? Ambrosia. 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 Ambrosia.
Ambrosia is a term from Greek mythology that refers to the food or drink of the gods, granting them immortality and eternal youth. It has since been used to describe anything with an exceptional taste or aroma, particularly in the context of food. Often associated with heavenly or divine qualities, ambrosia can refer to a wide range of luxurious or indulgent experiences, including fine dining, exotic vacations, or even intimate moments shared with loved ones. Overall, ambrosia represents a sense of indulgence and pleasure that transcends the mundane and elevates one's experience to a higher level.